Hello, this is the tip of the week. I want to show you a tool called Emmet. It's a tool that is very good for web developers, essential toolkit for web development. You can go and check it. This is a project that I gave to my students studying web development. They had to code this with HTML, and now with CSS they want to add some styles. So I will show you how to code this page. Before I continue, I'll show you my setup. I have two plugins. The first one is HTML CSS support, which is a very popular tool. It has been downloaded by more than 17 million people. And the other is Live Server. You can also see how popular it is. More than 42 million developers are already using this. When you have it installed, you can click on the Go Live button on the bottom of your screen. When you're working with Visual Studio Code, you will see your web page up like a server. This way, when you are changing anything, it displays automatically. You see, when I delete, everything just goes out. I don't have to refresh the page anymore. So in this tutorial, in this tip of the week, I will show you how I code that form. I will first start with Emmet, without Emmet, and I do the same thing with Emmet to see how powerful Emmet is. So let's start without Emmet. We'll create the label here with for the full name and the input type text. As you know, the ID of the input should be the value of the attribute of the 4 attributes of the label. So we'll give it the ID and name. And yeah, you can see we have a small text that we can write a few things. But I'm using Bootstrap, so Bootstrap recommends that we make our form nice. I'll give this enclosing div a Bootstrap class form group and the label form label as the input to form control. Now you see how good or nice it looks like. Let me do the same thing now with Emmet. So this label, it has a class called form label, an attribute for whose value is email, and the value that will be displayed is email. When I hit the tab on my keyboard, then you see that happens. After the input of the type email, it has a class form control with an ID email. It has an attribute name with value email. That's how simple this is when working with Emmet.